Thanks for checking out 3D Products. I'm Donald Williams. We're going to go ahead and talk about pads today. You know, there's a lot of confusion out there. It's like, okay, I got my compound, I got my polish, I got my wax, I got my machine. Now what? What pad do I use? It's very confusing. As you can see here, we have many different pads. There's hundreds of pads on the market, and everybody's trying to get their niche. Everybody's trying to make it something that is specific to their products or specific to the industry. We're going to show you how we can replace all this mess with just a few simple pads. These pads are extremely new and dedicated to their industries that they have. These pads are unique to our products and actually will help benefit a lot of the products that are out there. You don't have to just use our products, but we recommend you do. If you've noticed in some of the previous editions, we've had our spider pads. There's a reason behind it, and the quick reason is it keeps product down, keeps the heat down. It does the job that you're looking for and allowing to remove abrasions and remove scratch marks and swirl marks and spider marks a lot faster than the regular pads that are out there. And not to mention, it's not just a spider pad, but we spend a lot of time looking and shopping foam. We have foam pads in two different types. We have them in a spider pad, and we also have them without the spider. Now there's a reason for this. They both have the holes in it. They're both made that they can be done with a dual action polisher and a high speed. The difference is we went with a spider for the 6.5 inch pad because at the 6.5 inches on all the machines we've tested, it doesn't leave behind the marring that the size smaller 5.5 inch does. For whatever reason, because of the way the movement of the machines, it allows for marring. So anytime you're using a smaller backing plate, which is for your 5-inch pad, we recommend you use this non-spider cutting pad. And for anything larger, the spider pad works great and allows for more cutting and a better finish. Now the HD dark purple foam does keep its body a lot firmer so that you can cut a lot better instead of some of these traditional pads that really tend to soften up a whole lot, which also does create more heat. We're going to show you here my favorite pad, which happens to be the range on this pad is so phenomenal that it goes from heavy cutting down to polishing. I think that this will be your guaranteed go-to pad when you have any types of questions or any types of wondering what type of paint that I'm correcting, what type of paint that I'm fixing, as opposed to, you know, shoot, is this going to polish for me? Is it going to cut for me? If I had to buy one pad, which would it be? We're very confident this will be the pad that you'll want to use right off the get-go. Now this pad holds in all the product really well. It gets very soft as it works, which allows for more surface area, especially on curved and contoured areas. The semi-open cell design allows the product to stay within its location and its radius, so it doesn't just spread out all over the place. It keeps the sling and the product under the pad instead of all over the vehicle, and it also, because of its special unique foam, allows it to, again, the range is phenomenal from basically heavy cutting all the way down to polishing. Now we want to make sure that we get that top-notch finish. That's what we've designed this HD black spider foam pad. It's extremely soft, but because of the spider design, we'll be able to get product to fill in there, and the abrasive will be able to even accelerate and accentuate that extra polishing performance without creating holograms. We're excited for you to come and try out all of these different pads. The HD high definition cutting pad, the cutting polishing pad, the finishing pad, and our AAT spider pad. We invite you to challenge yourselves and go ahead and give it a shot against what you have, because we're very confident that once you try these, there's no reason for you to have all of those other pads. Till next time, Donald Williams. We appreciate you checking us out, and go ahead and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. That way you can keep up to date with all 3D's latest and innovative car care products.